Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Evelyn. For today's look, I went ahead and used the Morphe 35M palette. Looks like this. Now let me actually show you what it looks like on the inside. It's the inside that counts. Boom. Full of color. She is so pretty. I went ahead and taped the little piece of paper of the eyeshadow names up top here. That way I can always have it, because knowing me, I'll probably lose it. If you want to go ahead and achieve this look, then just keep on watching. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows and primed my eyelids. This is what I used to prime my eyelids, the MAC Painterly. And then I also used the Morphe brow pencil for my eyebrows along with the MAC Fluidline. I'm going to use this fluffy brush by Morphe. I'm going to use the FOTD Face of the Day eyeshadow. This is what I'm going to use for in the crease, like a little transition. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab Power Slayer from the palette. I am using the M514 brush. Looks like this. I'm going to put it in my outer corner. The same color Power Slayer over my crease with the same brush. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. You can definitely use the Morphe M421. Looks like this. But mine's dirty, so I'm going to use the MAC 228. And you can definitely use any concealer to cut the crease. Repack some more of the Power Slayer in my inner corner. I mean, my outer corner. Now, I am going to use this here. I am going to use Pop Star from the palette and put it all over my where I did the cut crease. for the other side. Okay, and now I'm gonna go back to Power Slayer and deepen up the outer corner. I'm gonna blend in the outer corner again, but I'm gonna go back to Popstar now. And just bring it in a little over the purple. The Power Slayer, I mean. So kind of help it blend in. This one's a kind of a fat pointed brush. It is the Morphe B18. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's not focusing. Oh well, but it's this kind. I'm gonna use Light of the Party on my brow bone. Pop some lashes. The lashes I'm going to use today are the House of Lashes Iconic. Okay, now I'm going to tightline my waterline up top. Now I'm going to do tightline just the outer corner of my eye on the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to go back to Power Slayer and put it on the bottom and kind of smoke it out. Let's see. Light of the Party, the same shadow I use on my brow bone on my inner corner. Now to complete the look, I'm gonna go ahead and put eyeliner on the top of my lid. I'm not gonna do a wing though. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D dagger. I don't know if you can see that. And then after I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and put mascara on my lower lashes. To complete the look, I am going to go with Anastasia Beverly Hills Trust Issues. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.